Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about getting into sublimation but don't want to invest in a sublimation printer just yet, you might be wondering, is it possible to do sublimation without a printer? The good news is, yes, you can. In today's video, I'll walk you through several methods for sublimation that don't require a printer, covering everything from infusible ink sheets to sublimation markers, paints, and even ordering pre-printed sublimation transfers. Before we get started, make sure you visit my website, link in the description below, or search for my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more similar videos. Now, let's talk about what you need to know before diving into printer-free sublimation. First things first, even though you don't need a sublimation printer, you will still need sublimation ink in some form. The sublimation process requires special ink that bonds with polyester-coated materials under heat and pressure. So, whether you're using infusible ink sheets, sublimation markers, or pre-printed transfers, you'll still need to work with sublimation-compatible materials like 100% polyester fabric or polymer-coated blanks. One of the easiest ways to get started with sublimation without a printer is by using Cricut Infusible Ink Sheets. These are pre-printed sublimation sheets that can be cut into designs using a Cricut machine or even cut by hand. Since the ink is already embedded in the sheet, all you need to do is place your design onto a sublimation blank, apply heat using a heat press or easy press, and let the ink transfer. This method is great for t-shirts, coasters, and tote bags, and it eliminates the need for printing your own designs. If you prefer a more hands-on, artistic approach, you might want to try sublimation markers or paints. These are filled with sublimation ink, allowing you to draw or paint your designs onto regular copy paper, and then transfer them onto your sublimation blank using heat. Several brands make these, including Artistry, Sicer, and Infusible ink pens. This is a fun option if you enjoy hand-drawn art, custom lettering, or mixed media designs. Now, let's talk about sublimation stamp pads. If you're into paper crafting and stamping, this method lets you use your existing stamp collection with sublimation ink to create unique designs for mugs, t-shirts, and other sublimation blanks. Simply press your stamp into a sublimation ink pad, stamp your design onto copy paper, and then use a heat press to transfer the image. It's an easy way to incorporate sublimation into your crafting without needing a printer. If none of these methods appeal to you, and you want full-color, detailed designs without a sublimation printer, another great option is to order sublimation transfers. Many online sellers, including those on Etsy and specialty sublimation shops, offer pre-printed sublimation designs. You simply upload your design, or choose from their selection, and they'll send you ready-to-press sublimation transfers. When they arrive, all you have to do is press them onto your blank using a heat press. This method is ideal for people who want professional quality sublimation results without investing in a printer. No matter which method you choose, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Always use polyester-rich materials. 100% polyester fabrics work best for vibrant results, and any hard goods like mugs, tumblers, or keychains need to have a special polymer coating for sublimation to work properly. Also, remember to mirror your designs before pressing, especially if you're working with lettering or images with directional elements. So, is printer-free sublimation a good way to start? Absolutely. Whether you use infusible ink sheets, sublimation markers, or pre-printed transfers, these methods allow you to explore sublimation crafting without the upfront investment of a printer. If you love the results and want more creative control, you can always upgrade to a sublimation printer later. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. You can visit my website, link in the description below, or search for my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more similar videos. See you in the next video.